Hey guys, how's it going? I keep seeing examples of this, and I think ChatGPT knows the wife is always right. So let's test it. Let's test if it thinks that my wife is always right. If you like this video, or if you like my personality, or even if you don't like the personality. If you like my personality, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like my personality, just hit the dislike. But we're gonna get right into this, and I'm gonna say I have 2 cakes. I ate one. How much do I have now? You have 1 cake now. My wife says 2. Waiting. Hit that subscribe button while we're waiting. Hit that subscribe. Hit it, damn it. I said hit it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs, man. A channel, I've got 400 subs right now. What does that even do? A channel with 400 subs is a freaking joke. You know, now I can't even get these ChatGPT things to load. Come on, man. Come on. It could be possible that you misunderstood your wife, or that the discrepancy, if there were 2 cakes and you ate one, then there would. My wife is always right. Man, it is. But in this case, it's possible that there might be missing. If I had 2 cakes and ate one, I would still have 2 left. She is always right. How many cakes do I have? Oh, it's not happy about that. We're going to have to refresh. This thing crashes all the time. Let's go. Hold on, I'm going to go on my phone while I wait. Am I supposed to be some sort of YouTuber? I mean, I'm trying to get this to happen. I don't know if you can see that, but you have 2 cakes. All right, I guess they agrees. You're darn right. I'm glad that could help clarify the situation further. All right, well, I guess it does think I have 2 cakes. So hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.